Hi guys, so here is a detailed tutorial on how to draw your eyebrow. So first off, you take your mascara wand like I did here, or a toothbrush to brush up your brows. Then afterwards you go in with your pencil, go in with a shade that is dark enough. Please, whatever you do, don't use black, use a brown shade that is dark enough and not too dark, not too light, not too dark. So you draw from your arc area like I did, and you now come to the front like I'm doing now and drag a line. Remember, this is your arc area, this area is your arc area. Always draw from there as a beginner. Once you're done with that, you can now pull from the front like I did. Then you come up, continue what you did down, you just come and replicate it up. Draw from your arc area, then drag down. Make sure it joins the one you've drawn down. So this is like the easiest way you can do. So from your arc area, you take your pencil to the front, and here I start to fill in the parts where there are no hairs. Remember, you just want to give an illusion of full brows, so you don't want to go painting your brows. You don't need that now. All you have to do is draw light strokes like I'm doing now, fill up the areas where there are no hairs, and you have your perfectly drawn brows. Next, you take a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than you, or you can take your foundation if you don't have a concealer, just to make sure it's a shade lighter or 2 shades lighter. Then you come again just like you drew it, exactly like you drew it. Come from your arc area. So to be safe, don't draw too close. Come first, test your brush, then just come really far, just come really low. Don't really go too far, so that if there's a mistake you can remedy it. So you just do it exactly like you drew your brows, the arc area first, then you start to drag from the front, you join, then you move to the finish like I'm doing here. Your arc first, the front, and the finish. So you go clean up your brush, come back with a clean brush, then a concealer that is exactly your shade, because you don't want it really obvious that you concealed your brows. Your brows are not, remember, we are giving an illusion of full brows, so you don't want everybody knowing that you concealed. So you just come in with your exact shade for your upper concealing. So remember, see the angle I am holding my brush in. You always hold your brush like this for your upper concealing. Don't hold your brush the way you did it down. You want to angle your brush this way so it can be easy for you, so you don't make any mistakes. You can see the way it's just going smoothly. So please, you have to learn how to hold your brush like this, exactly this way, and you put your concealer at that angle. So when you hold it this way, you just do it the way you've done it down, your arc area, the front, then the finish. Then you come in with a fluffy brush. This is the brush that pushes the remnants of your concealer into your skin. So when you use this brush well, just make sure that you push your product into your skin. You push, then this helps to get rid of excess product. Once you're done with this, you go down, do the same thing you did up. Make sure that you push, you take your time, please. Once you are just starting with your brows as a beginner, it's not something that you want to rush, it's something that you want to take step by step. Make sure that you push your concealer into your skin. It's very important to conceal your product after finish. This way it gives your eyebrow what exactly you want from it, so you don't have excess product hanging everywhere. You don't have everybody knowing that, oh, you concealed with a lighter shade or with a darker shade. Make sure that you come in, you push your product into your skin. Once you're done pushing your product into your skin and you feel like you were not able to reach some areas like this, you come in with your clean brush and you just come to use your clean brush to finish these areas, because sometimes you might be scared, especially as a beginner, that your fluffy brush might go and mess up things for you. So once you come back with your smooth brush, you can use it to clean those areas that you feel your fluffy brush cannot reach. Once you're done with that, you would have your concealer. All you have to do is continue with the next stage of your makeup by using a foundation that is your exact color to cover up your concealer. Once you cover up your concealer, all of these excesses you're still seeing, you will not see them, because by then your foundation would have covered up your concealer smoothly, and you should just be having your exact skin shade on your brow area. That way your brows are looking like they were not concealed. So yeah, just to give it a lasting finish, you come with your brow tamer. But if you don't have a brow tamer as a beginner, you can use what I use. Just get an edge control, make sure you don't apply too much. Now this helps your brow to last throughout the day, and as well it gives it that illusion of natural hair. So once you drag it out, you see that this would comb out all the natural hairs that have laid down. It will comb them out, align them, make them look organized, and your brows will be looking like an A. So these are all the necessary steps you need to take to draw the perfect brows, and I hope that you do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop your questions down, and I'll see you in my next one.